Hello everybody, ഞാൻ വത്സല കലാധരൻ. Today we are going to learn about the class aves. Aves meaning birds. One of the most important characteristics of aves is the presence of feathers. Most of them can fly except flightless birds. Example, ostrich. They possess beak. Their forelimbs are modified into wings. See, this is the diagram of parrot. Biological name Psittacula. This is peacock. Biological name pavo. Pavo, this one Psittacula. They possess beak. Here also. The forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs will be having scales. And their hind limbs are modified for walking, swimming, and clasping the tree branches. The skin is dry without glands except oil gland that is present at the base of the tail. That is important for the entrance. Hind limbs will be having scales. That is also important. Endoskeleton is fully ossified. That is bony. The long bones are hollow with air cavities, or you can say pneumatic. That is also, that word is very important for the entrance. Pneumatic, that means the long bones are hollow with air cavities. Bone marrow is absent. That will be reducing the weight. Then digestive tract will be containing two additional chambers, that is known as crop and gizzard. Crop is for storing the food, whereas gizzard for grinding. Crop and gizzard present in the digestive tract, two additional chambers, or you can say in the alimentary canal. Then heart will be having four chambers, two auricles and two ventricles. Aves are warm-blooded, or we can say homeothermous. We have studied fishes or pisces, amphibia, and reptiles are poikilothermous. That means they lack the capacity to maintain the body temperature, whereas aves are homeotherms. Mammals also homeotherms. That means they can maintain the body temperature. Respiration by lungs. Air sacs will be connected to the lungs. That will be supplementing respiration. Important for the entrance. Air sacs connected to lungs supplement respiration. Sexes are separate, male and female separate. Fertilization internal, inside the body. They are oviparous, that means they lay eggs. Development direct, that means no larval stage. Young ones will be looking like that of the adult one. Examples: Corvus, common name crow; Columba, pigeon; Psittacula, parrot; Struthio, ostrich; Pavo, peacock; Aptenodytes, penguin; Neophron, vulture. Corvus, crow; Columba, pigeon; Psittacula, parrot; Shrudhio, ostrich, pavo, peacock, aptenodytes, penguin, neophron, vulture. All these points are very important. Examples, everything from the NCERT. So you have to study very well. These points also from the NCERT. Now, in the NCERT, they have given the diagram of neophron. This one, vulture. Then this one, Shrudhio, ostrich. Psittacula, parrot. Pavo, peacock. These are the diagrams in the NCERT. Now I will be giving some additional points. Ornithology. Ornithology meaning study of birds. Then sound producing organ, that is syrinx. Voice box, syrinx. In apes, the number of cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Cranial nerves meaning nerves arising from the brain. In the case of fishes and amphibians, the number of cranial nerves will be 10 pairs. In reptiles, aves and mammals, cranial nerves will be 12 pairs. I have told oil gland present at the base of the tail. Other name for oil gland is preen gland or uropygial gland, tail. So, uropygial gland. The function is lubricating the feathers. Then, next one, pecten. That is a comb-like structure present in the eyes, found in the eyes near the blind spot. That is present in all birds. Pecten is present in all birds except kiwi. The function of pecten is it will be providing nutrition to the eyeball. Then smallest bird is hummingbird. Then oil glands, syrinx meaning sound producing organ, absent in flightless birds. Urinary bladder absent in birds. Then single ovary. Female will be having single ovary. Aves are uricotelic. Uricotelic meaning the birds will be excreting uric acid. Uric acid is the least toxic one. These are all extra points. These are the important points coming under class Aves. Now we have to study one more class in animal kingdom. That is the class Mammalia. That I will be taking in the next class. So if you like this class, kindly share with +1, +2 and medical entrance students. Thank you very much.